What's up guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. But in this video I'm just gonna be showing you guys my makeup look, just like this. This is my everyday makeup look. The last time I did this video was like 4 years ago. You guys can still watch it. I'll leave a link down below. Oh, my bra strap is falling, but I'll leave a link down below for that video. But I haven't done this video in such a long time. In that video, it's so cringeworthy. Like, it's like I didn't even know what I was doing really. I was still such a kid learning more about makeup. But in this video, I'm just going to show you guys my new everyday makeup look, which I have like 100 times more makeup on. But this is what it pretty much looks like. And yeah, let's get to it. Okay, so I'm going in with the Too Faced Hangover 3-in-1 Refreshing Primer and Setting Spray. And I'm just going to be spraying that all over my face. I'm just going to let that soak in. Okay, so after that's all soaked in into my skin, I'm just going to be going with the Too Faced Born This Way, the medium to full coverage foundation in the shade Nude. And I'm just going to be taking my Sephora Beauty Blender and just going to be spreading that all over my face. I just like to put like a little dollop in my hand, well, on my hand, and just go from there. I don't know why, but that's just how I do it. By the way, I am not a beauty guru. Like, this is just what I do pretty much every day. Like, I feel like beauty gurus, like whatever makes you look great is working. Okay, so after all of my foundation is on and beautiful, I am just going to be taking my Maybelline's Fit Me concealer in the shade 20. I'm just gonna be using that. How can I say it? I'm running out. I would usually go for a lighter color, but I don't know. Once I run out, I'll just go get a lighter color. But I'm just gonna be applying that. I just like to like make little dots. I don't know if I'm like doing it the wrong way, but that's just what I like to do. And I like to add some up top, just to, you know, make everything one even color. Well, not really with my eyes, but you know what I mean. Just want everything to be nice, and I don't want it to be no dark circles. Like, I have dark circles all over my eye, not like just one area. I honestly cannot stand it. I've always struggled with it, even when I was a little kid. I don't know why, but yeah, I feel like it's because of my allergies. Like, whenever I used to rub as a kid, obviously when you're a kid and you don't realize how valuable your skin is, especially like your eyes. Yeah, you just like, how can I say it? You just like really rough with it. So I feel like that's just how my eyes end up being like that, but I don't know. But yeah, so I'm just gonna be blending that all through. Okay, so I'm just gonna be taking the Milani Stay Put Brow Color in the shade Brunette, number 4. So yeah, this is just like a little eyebrow pomade, pretty much. And I'm just gonna be dipping my little angle brush that it came with, and just gonna be putting that on my eyebrows. One side, and then this is the other. It looks cute. Okay, so moving on, after I did my eyebrows, I am just going to be taking Maybelline Fit Me. This is like a powder, a pressed powder. It's 110 shade Porcelain, and I just like to like how can I say it? Finish my skin like this, just like with the little fluffy brush, and just put it all over my face, just because it doesn't make my skin like, how can I say it? Doesn't make it like so glossy, makes it more matte. And I know like other girls, they like use like a little dip powder and like put their beauty blender like this, but I don't know, I do my makeup differently from other people, and sometimes I feel like I do it wrong, but sometimes you just gotta work with like what you have, because honestly I don't have all the money in the world. I'm not working because I'm just focusing on school, but you know, just gotta work with what you got. So moving on to eyes, I'm just going to be taking my Too Faced Chocolate Bonbon. Yes, this like palette is like kind of outdated, but I still use it to this day. It's my favorite palette. Yeah, like as a kid, when I was a freshman in high school, I always wanted to have this palette, but I never had enough money. But like when I saw it in Marshalls, I was like, yes, I just have to buy it. I was like, good job, Marshalls. But I do want to buy new palettes. From Sephora, obviously. I want to buy like the Too Faced Peach palette, or the Anastasia Beverly Hills Modern Renaissance palette. I believe that's what it's called. They're like really like girly colors, and I really want to get it. I was thinking for the peach one, just for, how can I say it, for the summer, because I want to go traveling in the summer, obviously, to like a tropical area. I just want to go there, but like have like the orange tones, you know, something to fit like the summer colors. And then the Modern Renaissance, I just feel like it's really girly, like it has like pinks and purples in there. So I was just thinking to just use those as well for like my everyday use, but I'm just using this already, so I don't know, I'm still debating. But so yeah, I'm just gonna take my the tall eyeshadow brush, the like fluffy one by Tracy. Like I got this like palette set from like Marshalls. I don't know if you saw like my last makeup video, but I just bought that at Marshalls as well, so I was like, why not? But I'm just gonna be taking Almond Truffle. I'm just gonna be putting that, blending it out on my crease. Okay, so taking the color Mocha, and I'm just gonna deepen like my inner crease right here. I forgot what that's called. I believe it's inner crease, but I'm just gonna be blending that there just to deepen the crease out. Okay, so after like deepen the crease with the shade Mocha, I'm just gonna be going in with the shade Cotton Candy. I usually use the Cotton Candy one or the Sprinkles one. Those two are my exactly favorite for my lid, but I like it more pink sometimes, so I'm just gonna take the Cotton Candy one and just put it on my eyelid. This is how it looks like. So I just like to take the shade Divinity, yeah, Divinity, and just put it like in my inner corners. Just blend that in. Also to put it on my brow bones. So eyes, eyeshadow, I should say, is done. Moving on to mascara, and I'm just gonna be taking the L'Oreal Voluminous Lash Paradise. This is how it looks, and I feel like this is like a dupe for like Too Faced Better Than Sex mascara. I feel like a lot, like I love Too Faced. That's like my favorite makeup brand, and my favorite drugstore brand is Maybelline, but obviously this is L'Oreal. None of them. But I feel like the Better Than Sex mascara, it's like overhyped, and like now the people who buy it, like I've known, they said that it's nothing the greatest. So like my mom, she bought it, my classmates, they bought it before and they didn't really like it. But yeah, so I'm just went in with this because I heard this has really good review. So, and I think this is like really good, and it even looks like the Too Faced one, like with the little pinky tone. But yeah, so just gonna be putting down my eyes. Oh yeah, I mean eyelashes. This is how my lashes look, and I feel like these always make my eyelashes like really like long. I have like naturally like long lashes, but for like not having extensions or fake lashes, like it really makes a difference. This is how my eyelashes look after they have the mascara on. Okay, so moving back on to my face. But I'm just gonna be taking what's it called? The Melaleuca one. It's called the Cibella. And it's in the shade Blushing Peach. And it's just like a cream blush that I'm just gonna be putting on my cheeks. I just like to use like cream like highlighters and blush just because I feel like it goes on better and it's more lasting than like a regular like powder. And also like it doesn't make my skin like dry and patchy in those areas that I don't like. Do you see this highlight? Goes. Okay, so this is my highlighter. Super cute. Also this is the Maybelline Master Strobing Stick Illuminating Highlighter in the shade 100 Light Clear, and it just looks like this. It's like a pinky type of shade highlighter, and I love it. I've been using it for years. I think since senior year of high school. I am, how can I say it? I skipped a year of college, but I am currently a freshman in college. Yeah. So it's been like at least 2 to 3 years. Whenever you saw my prom video, makeup video, that's when. I'm just be taking my Maybelline lipstick that I've been using since like junior year of high school. That's like how good this product is, and it's the shade 555 Naked Coral. And the person who put me on was Jackie Wires. I don't know if you guys ever watched her, but she's a YouTuber not a YouTube video, a YouTuber as well, and she did like a sponsor video with Maybelline, and I was like, you know what, let me get some new lipstick. I was like, I'm right like from where I was living in New York, like there was a Rite Aid right next door, so I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna go to Rite Aid and buy it. I didn't really like the lipstick liner, like it was just like too hard. It wasn't like smooth where you just smooth it on, but with this it's way smoother. So I'm just gonna be putting that on my lips. And this is pretty much the completed look, and I forgot to spray, so I'm just gonna be finishing my spray. I usually do it when I do like the powder on my face, but I forgot. Just try to put that like as far away as possible so it doesn't ruin my good stuff. To let that soak in. So that is pretty much it for this video. If you guys like it, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe for more videos. I should be posting another video pretty much like every week now again, because like I said, I had school and exams and all that stuff, but I should be posting a video every weekend because I will be recording YouTube videos all spring break, just to prepare myself, just to, you know, be that, how can I say it, post every Wednesday type of person. But if I don't, bear with me. But you guys should subscribe, and I'll see you next time.